guys, it's Angie and I'm coming today to do a design team share for Tracie Fox. That's Tracie Fox Creative, and you can find her on Etsy, Facebook, and here on YouTube. So please go make sure and follow her, which I'm sure you all know Tracie and you do follow her. But she is amazing if you have not. Thank you so much, Tracie, for allowing me to be on your team. I've been on your team for quite a while now, and it has been so amazing. You're an amazing, true amazing person, so thank you. I am also a part of her December daily that she has coming out every once. There's a little tiny project coming out every day in December, so please follow that. So if you go hashtag 2023DDAvent, you will find all what everybody has been doing, and it has been super amazing. I'm numbered day 23, so please check that out. There will be links below. This, excuse me, this project kind of coincides with the December daily, so it's a big giant journal. So basically what this is it's a holder for projects or ephemera. This holds, I think it was 52 pages of Tracie's December daily. If you go get that on her in her Etsy shop, you can download that. I printed out every sheet. It was 52 pages plus a few more other sheets, and I can't believe it. So this journal had to be like gigantic. You don't necessarily have to keep all of Tracie's digitals in this book. You can trade them out and prepare for next year, so I thought that was kind of cool. Like I said, this is the biggest, most giant journal I've ever made. I'm like not used to it. It's like huge. It is actually, I think, an 10 by 8 or 8 by 10. So yeah, so it's a big journal. I even had to raise my camera up here, which I'm sorry for the tinny sound that this camera is producing. I did try to get a mic and it didn't work out. But anyways, we'll figure it out. So like I said, it's a big one, you guys. So this kind of is just always put like some jewelry on the side there. I'll try to be careful and show you every little detail, but this is just like a crystal. I thought it kind of looked like an icicle quartz crystal, and this is a project that I done quite a while ago, and I show you how to make one. But anyways, I use them for dangles as well, and that's a little spring. And then here's the spine. I always kind of decorate my spine. And there's the top, you guys. A big, look at that, a curved rounded spine, and you'll see there's kind of like a little secret thing in there. But this one thing this camera does allow is I can get the close-ups that you guys like. So there's my Electroform pine cone. That is a real pine cone. And I also did some little plaques, and that's real copper on top of those little plaques. And then right here is like a little tiny like kind of brooch that goes around the wrapping of the journal. And then again, obviously, my kind of crusty, grungy style. You can't really see, there's like a little bit of sparkle on there just to give it that fun, festive feel. So we'll go ahead and open it. And it's just a wrap like I have been doing. And you guys, like I said, this was a giant journal. And it is, I think it's 3 inches in the spine. So it's, like I said, it's a big daddy. And I kind of like to put like little dangles and whatnot on the bottom here. So there's just some lace. So it's kind of like a shabby vintage chic, a little bit flare. So I'll go ahead and get into this. I have also been a little bit under the weather, you guys, so I really do apologize on that. Actually, I wanted to show you this cute little, look at that, looks like crushed ice in there. I kind of wanted it to look like that. The tag and a little piece of wood here. So when you open it, this was supposed to be inside there. This is like a little pocket to put like your pens and your pencils, and you can kind of see the sparkle there on this. So I just kind of painted this, grunged up. And you can put like your notes and whatnot in here, and it says holidays on there. So you just open this up, and this is actually a little plaque too that I made, and that is real copper on top of that. So you open it up, it's all Tracie, you guys. Excuse me. One thing I did want to do is wanted to show you there's like a little secret thing in the spine before we open it, because it kind of coincides with this. So I kind of just wanted to have that there, and you can still close it nicely, even though it's a big, has an alligator too much, very, very slightly. Some people like that, and I don't mind it too much. But anyway, so this goes in here, and you can just add some little pins, kind of gives you a little space there. But what the little secret thing is, you guys, is up here. So when I made this giant journal, I was like, oh my god, I have that huge gap. So I came up with this idea, look at this, you guys, to make a little holder, like a little pen holder. And I love using any kind of objects to make as toppers. I showed you kind of some toppers that I've been making throughout the years, and this is one that I've come up with just like off of a pair of overalls, or we call them bibs. But anyways, I use them as toppers, and I kind of show you how I sew them on and whatnot. So this is like just a little tiny, like a little pen holder, and you can put some tags. This is obviously Tracie's little printout, and then there's the number 23. I'm 23. I am not showing you how to make this for the 23rd, but this is just really cool. This is just something that came out of it. Like I said, it just goes right back in here. And you kind of have to open the journal to get it out, and then when you close it, kind of tightens out so it doesn't fall out of the bottom, you guys. But I thought that was fun. It's kind of what happened when you make a giant journal, you improvise. And this is just a little notepad full of just tea stain paper. You can write your notes on it. It just fits really nice and snug in there. And then here's her tags. And then I did use them. So those are rusty numbers that I made. And then I always like using wire in a lot of my work. So there's wire here, cupcake holder, her tags. And then I also show a tutorial and showing you how to make these kind of little tabs. If you want to, I'll maybe put a link down at the bottom, or you can go find that on your own in my playlist. And then the little hanging thing down here, which this one has a little bell on it. Anyway, so you open it up, and like I said, it's just basically it's just to hold ephemera, this journal. And I made them to where you can take everything out, so everything is held in by elastic. You can see here. See, it's all elastic, and I made the elastic extra room, extra pliable, so you could get everything in and out. So I made these little pockets. They're just see-through pockets. I thought they'd be fun. Just to add some interest and texture. And these basically, I just cut up all of Tracie's ephemera and their pockets. Little pockets with ephemera in here. I didn't fussy cut things out. I didn't have time to. It's crazy, you guys. I've been so busy and a little bit under the weather. I'm just getting over a yucky cold, which we all are getting. But I've been trying to keep up with everything. So anyways, so this just goes in here nicely. Like I said, I left a lot of elastic room for you to put your things in and out. And these are just closed with a paper clip there. Then we go to 2. And 2 is done the exact same way, except I use the safety pin up here. And on the tutorial I show you usually sew across this and then put the tabs on. But however you like it. There's some wire here, wire here. This is number 2. And this basically just opens. Sorry, you guys. This kind of got long here. And then again, it's just an accordion pocket with all your ephemera. You can decorate however you want to. This doesn't have to be it does not have to be Christmas, but you can use it that way. Kind of, like I said, it's a rusty kind of reds and browns, so it's however you want it. So pocket over here, and then close the back of that, and we go to number 3. That's a little washer. I like to use washers. Safety pin just to give some flair on top. A little bit of bottom here, and this one has this like, little buckle hanging from it. And then you open this one, and again we got pockets top and bottom. And then another see-through. I love Tracie's. These are some of her envelopes. This kit's amazing, you guys. Like you can see, it's 52 pages. That's why this book had to be gigantic. Here's number 4. And then we did the 3 pockets here, or I guess 2 on each side. They're kind of just really cool, stacked inside there. They're all her tags, a lot of her tags. And number 5, obviously, you guys know I love number 5. So we'll show that close up. Look how grungy and rusty that 5 is. I love this tag. And again, my little safety pin topper there. Put this down. This one has a little trinket hanging on the bottom. This is Inspire. And this is like just a little piece of wood. Sorry guys, little piece of wood top there. I think it's always fun to like have little things popping up here and there. So that is number 5. And then again, got 2 pockets on this side, and then the little cellophane pockets on here, and then this one's an envelope, which it just opens this way. Little window, holds more ephemera. Like I said, you don't necessarily have to use this ephemera. You can change them out, use different kind of ephemera if you want to in this book. And like I said, everything is removable, even these, sorry guys, here. You can take this out, and this as well. So you have your own little pocket thing here. I like having everything come out so that you can reuse it, because like I said, I spend a lot of time on my covers and whatnot. So yeah, you can take this out, fill it up, whatnot. I'll put that back later. Here's number 6. And this one has 2 pockets on the top, and then open this and there's pockets in here. More ephemera inside here, little cutout ephemera that you can fussy cut. Here's number 7. Look at that 7. And then these just have 2 side pockets, little cellophane again, and then another side pocket here with all your ephemera. And that wraps it up for the signatures. And then back here is just your leftovers. These are the match boxes. This is just the rest of the kit. And then I also used her little grungy papers that she's included as well. These are new, so that I use them for the front and the back. I thought they looked amazing. It has this one, and then the red. Love the red. It's like my favorite. And then this goes in here. When we close it up, you guys, like I said, it's a gorgeous journal. So it's a 3-inch spine. It's an 8x10 giant. Holds all your ephemeras for any time of year that you want to hold it. Like I said, you can take everything out or put everything back. I will take photos, so look for the photos at the end of the video. And look for my number day 23. It's just like we are doing like little kind of simple projects, but they are not amazing. Like, even though everybody are doing simple, fun projects for everybody to follow along with, I cannot believe what everybody has done so far. Good job, you guys. We almost made it through, or we're almost there. Anyway, so yeah, please like and subscribe if you have not. I would really appreciate it. Like I said, I'm busy doing all kinds of things. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm very active over there, especially on Instagram. I will try to be more active here on YouTube as well. I do add shorts just to give you a little sneak peek of what I'm working on. But yeah, these just turned out amazing. I love how this is a real pine cone again from my backyard. It's in real copper. So yeah, this was just a really fun journal. Like, I've never went big, so this is like huge for me. I hope you enjoyed it. Everybody have a safe, happy holiday with your family, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.